Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this easy flower box, DIY. I know lately I've been on fashion and beauty finds, but today it's all about household items, and I know that you will love this. If you want to watch the process of how I made this flower box, then you definitely want to keep on watching. So guys, that will be all for today. I really hope you enjoyed the process. Let me know if you're going to try this. Also, you can get the flower box from Amazon instead of AliExpress, because I waited so long for it to arrive. And I'm going to leave the link right below so you check it out but this particular one I got it from AliExpress. So you guys know I love AliExpress, so I really hope you enjoyed the video. That will be all for today. Make sure you subscribe, like I said.